Hello friends, I am Rayaan. Welcome to the channel.
Hello Rayaan.
Hello Pa.
Rayaan, what are you having today?
I don't know.
So you got one more surprise gift na after ukulele. Since you played ukulele very well, I thought of surprising you with one more gift. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see what is inside that. Okay, open. Wow!
Flute!
It's not just a flute, it's a Soprano Recorder flute.
Okay.
Okay, it is from Yamaha, right? It's an amazing instrument. You like it? You like it?
Yes.
Okay, you will learn to play. Okay, you can play, Rayaan. You can play all notes on this, like a piano, na? Like a piano and a guitar, where you move your fingers. So if you move your fingers on the hole, keep your fingers on the hole. No, like this. Yes. Okay. You like the surprise?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Ryan, what are you doing?
Soprano Recorder in my life.
You're practicing Soprano Recorder in your garden. Wow, your garden looks beautiful. Okay. Which type of instrument this is? String instrument or a wind instrument?
Wind instrument.
Wind instrument. Okay, so how do you play this?
We want to blow air.
Okay, blow air from the top and then control the notes with your fingers,
Yes.
right? Okay,
This is simply left hand song.
okay. So you're going to play a left hand song. Okay. So what is the name of this song?
Ode to Joy.
Ode to Joy. Very good, Ryan. You like practicing this instrument? It's wonderful, na? It's fairly easy to play. Easy than ukulele, or ukulele is easy?
Ukulele is very easy.
Ukulele is very easy. Okay. Very good, Ryan. So you will practice now more Soprano Recorder songs? Very good, baby. Okay. Say bye to your friends.
Bye